There are certain stars that we count on, never to dim, never to be extinguished, no matter how murky the sky or thick the cloud cover in November. We count on them to shine through, give us inspiration from far, far, far away. Chris and Dana Reeve. When I first met them, they were, this is decades ago, two of the most glamorous, beautiful, vital people I'd ever seen. And when they were slammed by adversity, they became even more, not glamorous, but sort of glorious. And it's beyond this amazing foundation that they worked so tirelessly to create, and with its outreach and its research. But it was the inspiration and instruction that they gave us by their example on how to make your life count. They were blessed with so much, and when it was taken away, they just gave even more. They smiled and they kissed and they sang, and they worked and worked and worked and gave even more. I'm back this year, as I have for many years, to salute my friends and their astonishing spirit and their beautiful, persevering family and this wonderful foundation and organization that they have built together and sustained together. And I want to salute all the people that the foundation has helped over the years, many of whom Chris and Dana never even got the chance to meet. In honor of their memory, I ask you to give generously and to help all these new friends of theirs and to keep contact with the old. Thank you.